Today we're diving into a topic a lot of you have been asking for. 5 cheap SUVs that look way more expensive than their actual price tag. Whether you want to upgrade your daily drive, boost your garage, or simply find a ride that looks premium without draining your wallet, this list is going to help you out. So buckle up. And let's roll into the luxurious-looking world of budget SUVs. Number 5. Mazda CX-5, 2017 to 2020. Now, Mazda consistently nails that classy, sharp design language they call Kodo, and the CX-5 is one of their finest examples. Even older models from 2017 to 2020 still look modern. Slim headlights, a bold front grille, and that sleek bodyline make it look like a high-end European SUV, but without the European repair bills. Plus, the interior, soft touch materials, premium stitching, and a layout that honestly feels like something from a luxury brand. You can usually find these for a surprisingly low price on the used market, but when people see you in it, they'll think you paid double. Number 4. Hyundai Tucson, 2016 to 2019. This one is a favorite among people who want understated luxury. The design is clean, mature, and has that "I've got my life together" vibe. Hyundai also stepped up the build quality big time during these years. With LED accents, chrome touches, and a confident stance, it looks way pricier than it actually is. Inside, you get a comfortable cabin, nice layout, and tons of features for the money. If you want an SUV that looks premium but is incredibly reliable and budget-friendly to maintain, the Tucson is a perfect choice. Number 3. Ford Edge, 2015 to 2018. Its big grille, muscular body, and bold styling make it look almost like a luxury performance SUV you'd see in a movie. What's surprising is that the used prices on these have dropped a lot, making them one of the best value options for a premium-looking ride. You also get a spacious interior, plenty of tech, and a super comfortable driving experience. If you want an SUV that makes a statement without a luxury brand price tag, the Edge definitely delivers. Number 2. Kia Sorento, 2017 to 2020. Kia's redesign during these years gave the Sorento a classy and refined exterior, with chrome accents, a confident grille, and an elegant shape. Step inside, and the interior sells it even harder. Available with leather, 7-seat configuration, a clean central display, and soft-touch materials everywhere, it's genuinely impressive. If you need something that's stylish, roomy, and still affordable, the Sorento is one of the smartest choices out there. Number 1. Lexus RX, 2009 to 2014. Now, hear me out. Even though these models are a little older, they still look incredibly premium. The smooth lines, the classy front end, and that signature Lexus silhouette make this SUV look timeless. But the real magic? Lexus reliability. For anyone wanting the most expensive look per dollar, the Lexus RX takes the crown, and there you have it. 5 cheap SUVs that look expensive. Each of these models gives you that premium feel, stylish design, and confident presence without burning a hole in your wallet. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more car and automation content, and drop a comment telling me which SUV you think looks the most luxurious. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next video.